Walmart for sponsoring today's video. So I'm inside the storage closet right now. Ignore all the mess because I'm still working on organizing everything, but I wanted to show you guys the Dyson stand. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a freestanding vacuum holder, and then you can put all your different attachments over there. About to decorate the tree. Here's a little overview of everything that I have to work with. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use, so I kind of just got like a bunch of different stuff, and then whatever I don't end up needing, I'll just return. So continuing on with the holiday spirit, I'm going to be sharing a mini gift guide of some ideas that I think you can give your loved ones this holiday season. And everything is from Walmart, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video. So starting off, the first item is a Lego set. This one in specific is a Porsche 911, and I thought this would be a really good gift for my brother. He really likes Legos. He has a couple different types, and this one is really cute, especially if you have someone that loves cars. I think this one's a really good option, and I do already have this one in particular for myself, so I will show you what it looks like when it's already built, because obviously since this is a gift, I don't want to open it and build it. But if the car one's not your cup of tea, they do have some other options like this orchid, and they do have some like other flowers and plants. Okay, so next up is actually kind of a bunch of little things, which I will go over each piece. But I saw this TikTok of talking about burr baskets, and pretty much you get like a bunch of little things and put it inside a basket, and I feel like it's sometimes a little bit more fun than one big gift. This one in specific I was thinking would be a really good gift for my mom, because she likes pretty much like cozy stuff, and there's some like skin beauty or like self-care items that I know she would be really into. So I'm gonna go through each item. Starting with the first item in the basket, these are just some platform slippers. I feel like the style of this is very cute and on trend. I love that it has that platform. The color is really cute, but they did have some other colors too. Next is a scarf and beanie set. This is just like another comfy item. It came in multiple colors. I got the ivory. The material is super soft and cozy, and I just think it's a really good gift option on its own or in the basket. I also added a pair of these slouchy socks. I feel like it just adds to the whole cozy theme. And I did get a couple different socks to show you guys as other options in case you want to go for something that's different than this one. The next two items are kind of similar. This first one is a ice roller. I know this is good for like depuffing the skin. And then I also have this rose quartz facial roller. I know my mom's really into like skincare and self-care type of stuff, so I feel like she would really like this. Next is this Awala water bottle that I think would be a good gift option for literally anybody, because everybody has to drink water. And I just think this one in specific is really cute. They come in different types of colors. And then I have a couple smaller items that I think would be really good stocking stuffers. I believe all of these are under 15. So first up is this travel jewelry case, and this one does come in multiple colors as well. So it's just like a little travel case. It has the mirror with the little compartments. kind of similar to that theme, I feel like earrings is another good thing as a stocking stuffer. I thought these two were really cute options. So this one is like a chunky mixed metal situation, and then another chunky earring style. This one is in gold and it is like a bigger style earring, so like a really good statement earring option. And then I have a 3-pack of these hair claw clips, and I feel like you can never have enough of these. I thought this one was really pretty. I like all the neutral tones, and this was only $6. So last but not least, I have some gifts for my dog. So I just got some like cute Christmas themed toys. Okay, so that's it for this mini gift guide. Definitely check out Walmart for all your holiday needs. They have so many gift options for every type of person. I will be sure to link everything that I showed in the description box, and hopefully this gave you some inspo on what to give this year. So I'll just do a quick overview of everything. So I have this acrylic stand for the computer and for my phone, and then I just have this little lamp. I don't honestly use it, but I think it looks cute to add on top of the desk. And then I just have this like big leather pad. And then over here is the pegboard. I just have my YouTube plaque as decoration too. But I put my cameras and lenses, and then that little pink thing is like a screen cleaner that you like spray, and then you can like wipe down your computer screen. I have some headphones there, and then I do have some extra hooks in case I ever need to hang something else. And then I just have some pens and highlighters up there. Almost forgot, but that is a label printer. So if I need to like print out a shipping label, I just print it through that.